invite Mr. Amar Shahul, Deputy Director General OPPI, to conclude the evening and deliver the vote of thanks. Very warm welcome to you, Mr. Shahul. I hand over the screen to you.
Good evening, everyone. Who doesn't like celebrations? Celebrations are the way people enlighten their hearts and minds. Working with deadlines and targets on regular basis, all of us need to lighten our hearts and minds to reboot ourselves and turn more productive and energetic. Celebrations like annual days bring in cheer and joy to everyone. OPPI has also been using the annual day not just to celebrate, but also to recognize the good work done by various functional teams of its member companies during the year. A practice we have introduced many years ago, and we have gone a long way in applauding the success of high-performing teams. Today, we celebrated the excellence of marketing, sales, medical, HR, communication, and diversity and inclusion from different companies. The winners we've seen just now, Boehringer Ingelheim, Pfizer, Galderma, Eli Lilly, and Novartis. I want to thank each one of the team members who contributed in ensuring their teams win the prestigious awards from OPPI this year. I would also like to thank all the teams from all the member companies who had sent in their submissions under each of the award category. Some of you have made it to the top, some of you did not. For those who did not make it to the top this year, there is always a next time. Looking forward to you people for winning these awards next year. At this time, let me remember the invaluable service rendered by the expert panels for finding time out of their busy schedule to select the most deserving teams. Thank you all for your stellar support and contribution in this. During the course of last 2 hours, we also listened to illuminating speeches by 2 eminent speakers. Banker turned healthcare thought leader, Nachiket More, currently associated with the Benin Academy of Leadership in Mental Health. Also by the organizational behavior expert and the Dean of Indian School of Business, Madan Pilutla. Nachiket spoke about healthcare financing and the most suited models for a country like India. He also talked about the public option and why the price levels will not become a barrier in increasing access. I want to thank Nachiket for sharing deep insights derived from his own interface with some of the healthcare challenges and realities in this country. Thank you, Nachiket. We have all become richer and wiser by your insight, and keep doing the good work. Professor Madan spoke about how to reinvent ourselves. It's a feast. It was a feast listening to him when he took us through how successful people change gradually and become a caricature of themselves. Great lessons to reshape ourselves as we grow in our careers. Thank you, Professor Madan, for enriching our lives with your thoughts on how success should make us humbler and simpler. We are greatly indebted to you for sharing your valuable thoughts with us. I would also like to thank our executive committee members who took time out of their busy year-end schedules to give away the awards. Thank you, Manoj, Anandram, Suresh, Sudhindra, Rajaram, Sarthak, Vikrant, and Milit. Finally, thank you, KG Anandaraman, for setting the tone for today's evening and being a pillar of strength to all of us. I would also like to call out our event organizer, PinCrowd, digital supplier Nymphia, PR agency Weber Shandvik, and all other vendors and suppliers who helped us in making this event a great success. Finally, I would thank all OPPI employees who spent midnight oil over the last 1 month to make this evening a reality. Thank you all participants who watched the event and those who sent in questions to the keynote speakers. Good night and have a great weekend.